How to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. The first thing you have to do is either open up YouTube TV application, or if you are using a web browser, go over to tv.youtube.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then to find ESPN2, you first have to head over to the search bar right here and then click on it. Once you are on the search icon, click on the big search bar at the top and then search for ESPN. For some reason, it does not show ESPN2 directly, so you're going to have to first head over to the ESPN's official channel, tap on the first option that you see here, and once you are inside ESPN's channel, you can watch previous shows, videos, or even live videos if they are live. So you can scroll down and explore through different channels of ESPN. So the first one is the standard ESPN, then you have ESPN2 down below. Now you can just click on it to view more of its videos, or if you just want to view live videos, you can just click on live if they are live. Now, if you want to save the video for later and watch the recording later, you can also record their shows. So what you basically do is if you want to view it later, you can add it to your library by clicking on the three dots right here. And once you click on the three dots, you have an option to add the first take. So click on that. And what it does is it's going to show your added show to the library, and they'll record the upcoming episodes as they become available as well. Now to find your recordings, you can close this out at the top right, and then go over to library from your home screen. Now, once you are there, you can just go ahead and find your recorded shows or scheduled recording down below. And for some reason, if you cannot find ESPN channel on YouTube TV, it is because YouTube TV has lost its access to many of the channels owned by the Walt Disney Company, including the network ESPN and the channel ESPN2, due to a carriage contract dispute with Google LLC. Now, the official announcement from YouTube TV stated that Disney programming will not be available on YouTube TV beginning at the deal expiry. The permanent removal is still temporary, so you'll have to wait for some time for the contract renewal, and you should be able to find USPN here. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.